Moisturized, I use the Mario Badescu Rose Spray because it's my favorite thing in the world, and I'm going to moisturize my lips with Carmex because it gives that nice glossy look, and I love that nice glossy look, you know. Alright, I successfully put on chapstick. This is going to be a great video. Also, welcome to the haircut. I officially have a bob. It's very strange. It's so short. I've never showered with my hair yet, so this was an experience, and I don't know how to style it at all, so I'm just leaving it wet because that's what beauty guru does, right? Beauty guru does, right? Beauty guru does, right? I'm not even gonna try to fix my mistakes when I don't know how to speak because you guys like should understand me by now. Alright, let's do my haul. If you don't believe me. Here are the literal receipts. I spent a total of... Can you see it? Okay, well just trust me. I spent $292.28. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's just start opening this stuff up. I got a beauty blender, which I've never tried before because it's $20 for a sponge. I just could never bring myself to do that, but since we're doing this video, we're gonna go full out, so I guess this is also like a first impressions of a beauty blender because clearly I'm not a beauty guru if it's my first time using a beauty blender. Look how beautiful they look in there. This is everything I got. Do you do foundation first or concealer first? I think foundation, yeah. So first off, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love being a beauty guru. Should I just be a beauty guru from now on? I got the Milk Makeup Cooling Stick. Ooh, all their packaging. Oh, what the? I love how cohesive their packaging all is. They all match each other, so now I have like a full matching set, which is so cute. And this is supposed to be a cooling water. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's supposed to like depuff. It's a little big for under my tiny little Asian eyes, but we're working with it. Oh my gosh, it is really cooling and like it feels like water is going on my face. Oh, the stick is so big for my little face, but oh my gosh, the sun's not out today, so I hope you can see the glow. But like this is really making that glow peek through, and I love, love, love the dewy look. Okay, so it does feel very cooling. I feel so weird like giving you guys a review. It feels very cooling, a little like not oily, but like a little waxy, and just it feels nice. I like the glow it's giving me right now. Follow me on Snap. Oh my gosh. Who let me buy this expensive makeup? I don't know how to use it. Wow, I love the packaging. This is the Milk Makeup. Okay, obviously it's Milk Makeup. I'm doing a review of Milk. Okay, this is the Blur Stick. It comes in one universal shade just for everyone. And this is supposed to be a priming type product that like fills in your pores. They have a luminous one and then a matte one. I got the matte one because the luminous one has shimmer in it. And if I'm gonna use it all over my face, I just felt like I would look like, what's that dude, Edward from Twilight? You know, when he goes on the sun and like there's diamonds. I don't want to look like that. And I don't ever use primer, so this is gonna be an experience for me. And it's very interesting that primer is in a stick form because that's not something that you see too often in the beauty community because obviously I would know. Okay, do I look any different? Ooh. Sorry, I'm just checking myself out. I can't tell if there's a difference or not. Yeah, don't know. Do I look, I don't know. It's supposed to just give like a nice even layer to your skin before you apply product, or some people just like wearing it when they don't want to wear makeup, so I guess it looks cool. I don't know. I'm really bad at this. Okay, I got a foundation, which is like very unusual for me. I have not used foundation in years. Even when I was a competition dancer, like I didn't use foundation just because I hate foundation. But this is the Sunshine Skin Tint with SPF 30. So it's not quite like a full coverage foundation. It's just supposed to be a very light, just tint to the skin, and honestly it just has like a really cool package, so I wanted to try it. This is the packaging. It has a little pump on this end and it's actually a roller ball, so for foundation that's pretty cool. And I'm going to use my beauty blender for the first time. Oh shoot. I got it in black because that's what Tana Moja has. It smells like a straight up sponge. This was $20, so I'm gonna go get this wet real quick. Okay, I got it wet. That was a little underwhelming because it is literally just a sponge that I paid $20 for. Okay, so you pump this out. This is a process. Been doing this for a while. Oh, it really doesn't want to come out. Please don't be broken. Is it broken? Ooh, I'm gonna be freaking pissed if it's broken. This thing was like 40 bucks. It didn't take this long in other people's videos. I'm really kind of concerned. Oh my gosh, I'm getting honestly very nervous. Wait, what? There's an expiration date and it's for October 2018. That's like in a few months. What? I'm not gonna use all this by then. I'm not gonna use any of it at all because it's not coming out. What? I paid so much money for this. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay, that took so long. I was starting to get, I barely have any hair, but it's still getting in everything. All right, let's use the beauty blender. I'm so excited. Ooh. so nice. I'm just gonna... I don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, I want to be the genius who invented a sponge that sells for $20. But not gonna lie, I can kind of understand why people buy these. Well, it really is blending in like very quickly. So maybe I'm starting to understand the appeal of these things. And also I really like how this tint is like just blending into my skin so nicely. Like it doesn't look cakey whatsoever. It is a tint, so it shouldn't be. Ah! Ew, ew. Okay, for the sunshine tint, I give this a big fat 2 thumbs up. Packaging was a little sketchy, but now that I got it working, it's a very cute package. Love it. Let's just keep it going with some concealer. This is the Flex concealer. It's supposed to be a full coverage this time. It smells like paint, which honestly, I love the smell of paint, so. Also love the packaging for concealer. That's really neat. Okay, wait. Let me not speak yet before I do the other side. Am I speaking too soon? I love that. Wow. Okay, like honestly, I've never tried a concealer that I love so much as that one. Flex concealer A1. Also understanding why people love these. Next up, I got the matte bronzer in Baked. I definitely have no idea what I'm doing. I guess I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to do this because I don't know. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. Wow, it looks so natural. Like I could really fake someone out by making them think I actually went into the sun, and like I haven't seen the sun in months. Thoroughly impressed. Next up is the lip and cheek stick. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do this one with my fingers because on the website they all just do stuff with their fingers. That looks so natural. A little goes a long way with that. I feel like I put a lot on this side. Who knew makeup could be so exciting? Alright guys, highlighter. Milk Makeup, I feel like got popular for their holographic highlighter. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. This stuff is so creamy. That is so pretty. It almost looks like when you sweat and like you get that natural glisten. And then I love, love, love nose highlight, so I'm just gonna put some on my finger. I've never been this excited about makeup in my entire life. My 10-year-old little heart is just like screaming with joy right now. Next up, this product is really cool, really innovative. It's called an eye vinyl, and what it is I don't know if you know about that trend that's like the glossy eyelids look. This is one of the first, I don't know if it's the first, don't quote me, I clearly don't really know what I'm doing, but one of the first products that is like specifically made to give you glossy eyelids. Oh, this feels so weird. I kind of forgot I was filming and now I'm making stupid faces. Can you see it? I feel like it's super subtle, but you can definitely tell that there's like something different going on. I remember growing up watching Ingrid Nilsson and she would always complain about how oily her eyelids are. But who would have thought it would become a trend to have some oily looking eyelids, you know? Now the only other thing I have from them is their mascara, but I feel like I just look so weird without eyeliner, so I'm going to use my own eyeliner. This is their mascara in the color Inked. It comes in a super cool tube and it has a really interesting wand. As you can see, it has some 3 bulbous little camel humps there, and I have tiny little baby Asian eyelashes, so mascaras have to be really impressive for me to like them. This is what it looks like with 2 layers, and I'm pretty impressed. I'm not disappointed, but I'm not like crazy obsessed or impressed, especially since this is so expensive for a